This is Manila House by Stanza Living. Right in the foothills of Pondha, amidst the lush green farmlands, stands this beautiful stanza residence. Not only that, you're surrounded by some of Dehradun's top management colleges. And if you're a student, you can avail of our shuttle bus service and never be late for class again. Come, let's show you around. First things first, an ample parking space for you to park your ride. Security check-ins were never this easy. With our 24/7 security system, best believe that you're in safe hands. Now, as you make an entrance, find yourself in the deemed presence of our resident captains. Next, we take the elevator and make our way past the water station. And here you go. Your bedroom is spacious, suited to your taste, and beautifully designed for your productivity and relaxation. It's sheer comfort with all amenities at your disposal. A comfortable bed, a cupboard, study table, an attached bathroom that's always kept fresh and comes with a 24/7 hot water supply. So be rest assured and have yourself a chill stay. Fancy a view? We've got rooms with attached balconies too. Now, let us guide you to your recreational zone. This is where all the magic happens. A high-speed Wi-Fi zone, which is also a cozy little space for you to lounge out with your friends and watch your favorite shows or movies. Indulge in a game of table tennis indoors. Play pool, hit some carom, and make the most of your time. This place is bound to be your favorite for sure. And for all the fitness freaks, we have for you an in-house gym, which is accessible round the clock, so no matter how busy the day gets, you never miss a workout. Next, we're greeted with an enormous dining area where you can treat yourself to some lip-smacking food prepped up by the talented chefs in our FSSAI approved kitchen. And what's cooking, you ask? While all your meals are on us, our kitchen comes bearing all your cravings as well. With an in-house pantry that's fully equipped with a microwave, toaster, and a hot plate, cook whatever you crave whenever you desire. We know how much you hate doing household chores. Our housekeeping staff is there to take care of all your needs at all times, and with the Stanza Living Resident app, cleaning, maintenance, and laundry are just a simple click away. We know we've convinced you, so come live that Stanza life. Manila House is waiting for you.